Buongiorno. We are looking at how to say with the typical Italian pronunciation, therefore correctly, this word. From Italian, we'll be looking at how to say the names of many more Italian dishes and food names from Italy, so make sure to stay tuned for those. So how do you say it? Well, in English it is often said as bruschetta, bruschetta, or even worse perhaps in American English, bruschetta, bruschetta. Now how do you say it? In Italian, this is normally said as bruschetta, bruschetta is how you want to say it. CH in Italian sounds like a K, so a K sound, bruschetta. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more interesting names of dishes from Italy, delicious food names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Arrivederci. Ciao ciao.